The Old Spaghetti Factory is a family-friendly restaurant with incredibly detailed, unique decor, featuring a trolley car you can dine inside. One of our menu items that is especially unique to OSF is our spaghetti with Mazithra cheese and brown butter. Everything that we do at Old Spaghetti Factory is driven around the guest experience. Our job as an IT team at the Old Spaghetti Factory is to really help streamline efficiencies and to eliminate any roadblocks that would get in the way of store operations. Interface provides us with managed network services, voice over IP, and intrusion monitoring services. We have managed network at all 42 locations with the goal of having intrusion go to all locations in addition to our voice over IP services. Interface has allowed us to migrate off of old equipment with slower speeds onto newer equipment with much higher speeds. We've experienced network uptime of greater than 99% in all of our locations. One excellent addition with the managed network refresh we recently went through was the addition of a box that allowed the Interface team to remotely reboot any machine that may be having trouble outside of business hours. This allows our management teams to continue to operate the restaurants without any downtime. Inevitably, all circuits go down at some point in time, so with Interface, we have a very strong and reliable backup wireless 4G LTE service that always keeps us up. We had really outdated phones at all of our units. The phones that Interface provided us really improved call quality and also gave us benefits of using an automated attendant. We have layered on video monitoring to help monitor the exterior and interior of some of our locations. Our old system was deteriorating quickly, and we knew that we had to do something about it. Our challenges with intrusion before Interface was more when managers were transferring from location to location and having to relearn different tasks and how to do them. Now when a manager moves from one spot to another spot, the system's the same. Oftentimes their codes can be similar or the same, making it easier to go from spot to spot. Plus, our district managers really enjoy using virtual keypad where they can get instant access to coding in, coding out. And our district managers really enjoy using a simple app to have the ability to arm or disarm the system remotely. By making the switch to Interface for intrusion monitoring, we realize a cost savings of at least 30%. I look for a partner who will help us be able to resolve problems quickly and effectively, and also help us innovate for the future. The nice thing about working with Interface is they are able to custom design your network for what you need and deliver it with your expectations. Our IT department is a lot of support to the restaurants, and so Interface really helps us take a lot of the workload off of our own IT team.